Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are doing some updates on the Vela Exchange airdrop. This airdrop has been confirmed. The project itself lives in Arbitrum and right now it's at position 9 of all the exchanges on the Arbitrum ecosystem. And we are in the phase of an airdrop for Vela. This has been confirmed already a couple of times by the team. And in today's video we are going to do some updates on the last things of this possible airdrop. If you want to see all the coverage that I did before for this, the link is in the description. It will be the first link in the description. Follow my step by step. I always do the video like this. The video explaining and showing you how to get the airdrop, and all the steps are in my link. So you need to follow all these steps in order to apply for the airdrop. So today we are doing an update on this Vela Exchange confirmed airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, Vela Exchange continue with a lot of volume. Thanks for all the airdrop hunters that we are doing, trading and getting behind this possible airdrop. And right now Vela Exchange has positioned itself into position 9 of all the different DXs on the Arbitrum ecosystem. There are many things that are shaking the crypto space right now, the USDC, the PEG and many other things. But still Vela Exchange is at position 9 of the Arbitrum ecosystem. Like I mentioned, if you didn't do my video of Vela Airdrop, I really recommend you to go there. This was published on February 15, but it's 100% still valid. Because to understanding these updates, you need to be doing this. It's not difficult, but it's not free. So you need to do all these steps and participate in the airdrop that was already confirmed by the team a couple of times. So once you get this, the link again is in the description of the video. Then you can apply these updates of this video. And guys, if you didn't check my subscriptions, you can see that I have a private Discord channel where we cover many things, and these updates were brought me by one of the followers there. So there are many people there doing a lot of things regarding airdrop hunter path, and we help each other there, guys. We have an airdrop distribution channel, another for new airdrops that I not cover in my channel. We talk and have portfolio and strategies and crypto in general. So many things happen in my Discord. If you want to get there, it's really cheap. You just need to click here and subscribe now. And I also have developed an application to register the airdrops and apply to them. So you can see my 2 videos on how my app will help you. So check that if you are interested. And if you have been following me for a while and you want to give another step on this airdrop hunter path, then I recommend you to check the subscriptions. So today's update is from Vela Exchange itself. The beta phase 3 is here, so we shall finish the phase 2. And this probably is going to be the last phase of the beta before going live. So they published this document here and I want to highlight the major steps here. Beta phase 2 has been completed already, and phase 3 it will include the beta NFT claim, flash trading competition 2, a grand trading competition, the beta rewards airdrop, and the official launch announcement and roadmap. So all these are the very important points for the video. The most important are, if you already did my first Vela video for the airdrop, is that besides having volume on the exchange, there has been some NFT releases by Vela Exchange. So you can go and check that. And as teased before, the NFTs releases so far will be crucial for building something very exclusive and utility driven. There's a mix of feelings regarding this, but probably having these NFTs could help you in some kind of boost on your airdrop rewards. We don't have that information 100%, but maybe that is something that could help you to get more rewards. The most important thing, like always, is having volume on the exchange. They have already been transparent about that, but here you can see that there are many hints on things that you can do to improve that. Then we have the flash competition. This already happened before on the competition number 1. This is number 2. I don't think this is crucial for the airdrop and the grand beta trading competition neither, but there are another prizes for this. Then we have the beta rewards airdrop, and you can see that they still say, but keep in mind, testing the trading experience is heavily weighted. So again, go to the link on the description, check this video, follow these steps in order to participate. And here you also can go and check the NFTs in the step 5. You have the link there to go and check the NFTs. Right now there are 2 NFTs that maybe you need to buy there on OpenSea or another NFT platform. And the third NFT is going to be released very soon, so keep that in mind. Finally, we have the official launch announcement and the roadmap. There are no dates yet, but they continue emphasizing that loyalty will be rewarded. So these are the important points for this phase 3. We still are working in my Discord channel together. We are already getting a lot of volume on the transactions. And I will give you another thing for this video, guys, and that is an unofficial link here on Dune.com. This is a way that you can see at what position and what is your rank in terms of volume. So basically, I will put this link on the description too. And here you can see all the wallets positioned by rankings according to the total volume. You have the number of trades, biggest trades, and average size of the trade. So here you can search for your wallet and you can see at what rank are you. There are another comments that are not official here on this Medium page, but has been comments on the Discord that maybe you also need to hold 50 Vela tokens in your position in your wallet also to be able to get the last NFT. So that is another point that I will add to the list on this update. Basically try to get some amount of Vela tokens. You can get that from centralized and decentralized exchanges. The price of the token is at $4.27 and you can see you have Camelot, Uniswap, many other places that you can get this token already. So get at least 50, the minimum that I saw in the comments is 50. And that and the 2 NFTs that we already commented that are here in the link on step 5, you can go there. But first, follow these steps if you didn't start it yet. I have big expectations on the Vela Airdrop, so I am really following this in detail. Guys, all these links are in the description of the video, so follow all the steps there. And this is Vela Exchange, one of the leaders on DX and perpetual contracts on Arbitrum, building some TVL right now besides all the difficulties that we have in the crypto space. So check my video and follow these steps. Guys, that will be all for this update video, Vela Exchange update for the airdrop. And before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.